Hello and welcome to BobCAD-CAM. Today we're diving into our premium toolpaths. They are powerful strategies that give you greater control and better results for surface machining. To access premium toolpaths, right-click on Machine Setup, go to Multi-Axis, and then click Surface. You'll now see the Surface-Based Toolpaths section, where different options are available for different scenarios. We'll walk through them one by one, using a real part as an example. But first, let's clarify a key difference: surface-based toolpaths versus mesh-based toolpaths. Surface-based toolpaths are calculated directly from selected surfaces and wireframes, offering high precision and control. In contrast, mesh-based toolpaths convert your model into a mesh in the background and calculate toolpaths from that mesh. This method can be less accurate and flexible compared to surface-based options. Let's start with one of our most popular premium strategies: morph between two curves. In this example, we have three drive surfaces with two boundary curves. The toolpath blends smoothly across all surfaces, something no other standard or even pro-level toolpath can achieve this precisely. Not only does it look great, but it gives you full control. For example, we are going to extend the toolpath. You simply go into the operation settings, choose Extend and Trim, and define the value. All premium toolpaths use the advanced interface, giving you greater control over gouge checking, tool access strategies, surface controls, and linking options. Whether you're filling small gaps, handling multiple passes, or controlling lead-ins and lead-outs, you have full flexibility. You can also mirror your toolpaths. No need to rotate or copy, just mirror and move forward. This has been a top request from our users, and now it's built right in. Next is parallel to surface, perfect for machining walls and angled shapes. In this case, we're using a barrel tool, which engages more surface area in one pass compared to a ball end mill. That means fewer passes, faster machining, and a better surface finish. A ball end mill still does a good job, but it engages less material per pass, requiring more passes to achieve the same result. Premium toolpaths deliver better finishes with fewer passes, and you maintain full control just like with the previous operation. Now, let's compare results. With premium toolpaths, the toolpath follows the surface perfectly. If you've used MillPro before, you know how hard it is to achieve that level of precision. Can MillPro do it? Possibly. Will Premium do it better and faster? Absolutely. To finish, let's look at Flowline, one of the top toolpaths in our premium arsenal. Here we achieve a stunning surface finish using cust height rather than increasing step over. This method results in a much smoother finish than what's possible with Pro or even other premium toolpaths. If you're doing surface work, premium toolpaths can make a big difference in quality, control, and your final result. Thanks for using BobCAD-CAM. Level up your results with premium toolpaths.